the house that never sleeps. For over 14 centuries, one structure has never rested, day and night, under the burning Arabian sun and beneath the calm desert moon. The Kaaba stands at the center of the world's largest continuous act of worship. Every second, someone is circling it. Footsteps echo across the white marble floors. Whispers of prayer rise into the sky. Tears fall silently onto sacred ground. Millions travel across continents just to stand before this house. But history holds moments so rare, so emotionally powerful, that the Kaaba stood alone. No pilgrims, no Tawaf, no voices, just silence. Tonight, we uncover the rare moments when the heart of Islam stood still. When floodwaters surrounded the sacred house, Makkah is a valley, surrounded by mountains, beautiful but vulnerable. Before modern drainage systems, heavy rains would transform the city. Water rushed down the mountains with unstoppable force. In multiple periods of history, floods entered Masjid al-Haram, the courtyard filled with water. The marble disappeared beneath waves. There are recorded moments when the water level rose so high that pilgrims performing Tawaf were forced to swim. Imagine that scene, the Kaaba standing firm while water swirled around it. Eventually, for safety, the mosque had to be cleared. Pilgrims evacuated. The sound of footsteps faded, and for a brief moment in history, only the sound of water remained. No talbiyah, no circling, just the sacred house, standing in silence. Yet even then, it did not fall. It remained. Reconstruction and protection, many people do not realize. The Kaaba has been rebuilt several times throughout history. Even before the time of Prophet Muhammad, the Quraysh reconstructed it after flood damage. Later, during different Islamic eras, renovation strengthened its structure. Each time restoration was required, the Mataf area was restricted. Pilgrims were moved away temporarily. Construction surrounded the sacred space. Cranes rose above the skyline. For some believers, seeing barriers around the Kaaba was emotionally heavy, but this was not abandonment, it was protection. The house of Allah was being preserved for generations to come, and each time restoration ended, the doors reopened and Tawaf resumed, stronger than before. A dark chapter, 1979. In 1979, an unprecedented event shocked the Muslim world. Armed militants seized Masjid al-Haram. The mosque was closed. Pilgrims were evacuated. For days, the sacred courtyard stood empty. No prayer lines, no circling crowds, only tension, uncertainty, and silence. Muslims across the world watched in disbelief. How could the holiest site on earth fall silent? But even in chaos, the Kaaba remained untouched, steady, unmoved, a reminder that while humans may create turmoil, the sacred remains sacred. When the crisis ended, the call to prayer returned, and so did the believers. The pandemic of 2020, a silence the world. Witnessed then came a moment our generation will never forget. A global pandemic, airports closed, borders sealed, cities locked down, and for the first time in modern history, Umrah was suspended. Masjid al-Haram was emptied. Drone footage revealed a sight that brought millions to tears. The Mataf, completely empty. The white marble floor visible without a single pilgrim. No circles of Tawaf. No crowds pressing forward. Just cleaners walking slowly across the vast courtyard. Birds flying freely. The echo of emptiness across the world. Muslims cried in their homes, watching live broadcasts, whispering, "Ya Allah, return us to your house." Even Hajj that year was limited to a small number of residents. Pilgrims stood spaced apart. circles drawn on the ground to maintain distance. It was historic. It was surreal. It felt as if time had paused. Some asked, was this a test, a reminder, a wake-up call? Perhaps it was all three. Because when something constant disappears, you realize how deeply you need it. The return of Tawaf. And then, slowly, the doors reopened. A small group entered first. They walked carefully, emotion heavy in their eyes. As they approached the Kaaba, many could not control their tears. After months of silence, the footsteps returned. The sound of talbiyah rose once more. Labbaik Allahumma labbaik. The marble floor filled again. Circle after circle formed. Life returned to the sacred courtyard. The silence had been temporary, but the love had never left. A deeper reflection. There is something powerful about those empty moments, because they teach us something. The Kaaba does not need crowds to remain sacred. It does not depend on us. We depend on it. It is the spiritual compass of nearly 2 billion hearts, 5 times a day. No matter where we are, we turn toward it. Even when it stood empty, it remained the center of our prayers. The floods passed, the crises ended, the pandemic faded, and Tawaf continues, as it always has, day and night, without stopping. Outro, emotional closing. One day, you may stand before it. You may place your forehead on the same marble floor. You may circle the same sacred walls. And when you do, remember, there were moments when it stood alone, silent, waiting. If your heart longs for that house, share this reminder and write in the comments, Labbaik Allahumma labbaik, because no matter what happens in this world, the Kaaba remains, and it will never truly be empty as long as it lives in our hearts.